Hi guys, and welcome to the demo for Smart Content Profits. Now, it's very easy to get up and running with the system. We have set it up so you can use the system in 3 easy steps. Step 1, create your site. Just add in your domain name, choose a username. So let's just choose admin as a username. Choose a password, a name for the site. So I'm going to choose what's my site. Add a description. This is a new site test. Okay, that's all you need to do. Hit save, and it tells you it's preparing the site. It usually takes a few minutes just to get this done. Once that's done, we'll jump back in here. The site is set. As you can see here, it's fully secure already to go set up everything inside the dashboard, and it took around about 30 seconds from start to finish. Now, what you can do is you can add in the content to your new site. So if you wanted some content into that site, just click content, and let's just choose some from here. We've got a full search for different niches. We have many different sources that you can utilize as well. But just let's choose a couple here. So we'll use this one complete list of hacker and cybersecurity movies. Click post, choose the site that you wish to post to, which is What's My Site. Just click publish. Just give it a moment or two to go to the site. Go back to the site. We'll refresh this page and you can see that it's posted there. Now, you can then instantly post much more content if we want to, or we can schedule it just like this. We can schedule it to be posted later today. We can add images in there as well. So we could post it later today and we can add as much content as we want into the system. Now, also we can monetize that site. So here you can see there are lots of ways to monetize. If you click this monetize button here, we can instantly monetize this site by adding ads into the bottom of the post. And you can add multiple ads that will split. Test the different ads you can add in the side menu posts as well. So every time it posts to the site, it'll automatically add in an ad. So very easy to use. We also have an auto poster, so we can create an auto poster that will automatically post to the blog via a keyword. Let's add in there ecom. Decide on the blog you want to post to. Minimum word count posts per day. You can have as many posts you want per day. You can schedule the post so you can do the post at a certain time. You can set it so they require an image. And all you need to do is hit save. And that will start populating that blog. Now, we also have social accounts. So as you post to the blog, it will automatically post to your social accounts as well. So create social account. We've got Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Tumblr, and Reddit as well. And we've also got a calendar. So you can see when the posts are scheduled, and we've got, as I said, a huge content database to pull from as well. And you can also add in your own RSS feeds. So very easy to get set up. Step 1, create a site. Step 2, create and automate your content. Step 3, monetize your site. Thank you for watching this demo of Smart Content Profits.